Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to switch from business to creator account on TikTok. Alright, it is pretty easy to do it, and the steps will work on both PC app and on the web version. Alright, just go ahead and go to your profile. Now, once you're on your profile, just locate the cogwheel or the gear icon. Just go ahead and tap or click on it. Now, once done, as you can see here in the left pane, you'll be able to find a business account or creator account. If you are on a business account, you should be able to see creator account right here. Just go ahead and click or tap on it. Now it will land you to the business account section or creator account section. Just go ahead and find the toggle, which is right here. All right, it should say here creator account. Just go ahead and toggle this on, and once done, your web browser will reload and your app will reload as well. All right, once done, you have switched from business to creator account on TikTok. That is it. Well, hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.